Hello, wakil. Minto ngakimoge yangrete. Nyogo konyora for the first time. Marieta ninkurukupeni kurinyandu chebere. And ngo chagaiga at least 2-3 times a week. Nara kwana na young people. Anybody ole miaka eringanda tebe 48. Oh chance because in the 49 asebitabu. Abogo chontegerere. We learn 1 or 2 things. Na ande anyakoro magani ase group watia machiko ye group ndota itiko korusi na anda abantu bawenete bamanyenge group ye ko run by admins paid admins ye kero konyole ngento ke koberete talintu twa korusi abantu mbaroro ba korusi watia machiko nyo tota itiko korusi ye group lero ntete okwanire ngento ke koro ku grief ngokora ndi video chesege songo lakini ngutaka na chikora Ekegusii inyale gwechegeri ukwane Ekegusii kobwatekana nebintu biro chikaine inche generation ya kegoli kiane asabana bane ngucha ukwane Ekegusii mwisikone nkuyigwale Ekegusii lakini tali gukwana Ekegusii igo gwechegeri nkuyigubiya nachaga nakwane Ekegusii nde so proud kobo mugusii. So lero ntete gukwanira igoro ya grief loss abandi bona igo you are mourning maybe a father, you are mourning a mother, you are mourning a brother, a sister, some kind of loss, death inerere most painful. Alafu abandi you are mourning emiremo, you just lost your job yesterday, you went to work ogatebe umiremo teyo haya abandi nyuma yino yaelire kwabukire okagite ng'ebintu mbyo bire kwenyorere nga divorce court yole bono eyi loss abandi baino mwasiriri abana baino bakule chi accident osabande barwarete bad death abandi kwa lose ryo busani musani nali bunanje njoma ite nabonyegene tepi nyekindo musani o alafu ocho lose. I'm sure you'll miss me because nje no musani oli nganje tabasani bane kwenda above and beyond. So no nyencha basani mbali nganje sana litwo kabago ntiko bosani I will feel loss. Okay, abande oborwaire you know toigwetibya yani you've lost yourself to a disease. You see tobwati toigweti chingu. The reason ninte to kwandire igoro ya loss because it is happening and it's not going to stop. Ntuli kuchikonyara koba tokonyara komenyo bogumota bwati loss onye nkwanya konyora loss, it's coming, and when loss comes to you, it's going to be painful, and the way you're going to deal with it nere gucha determine ngo survive ole gusengo kuole abantu bande kero banyorire loss nali bakwe kokegima. So ekero kwanyorire loss igento yani igento yakobereire kwa ente kebe kiabeire pi igente getangani okonyora ne shock kwanyore shock wakuminga ngaki aya ngaki bintu byaba kwame buchaka kuyugwe obororogete okonyoro igweto obororogete ngayanta tokwa yani mamokwa nabutwemeremo bakipeni no block bakinyarebe yani kwanyorole obwato obororo obonge sana iro konye namakweri mamo mino natato mino bakule wachaka komenya n'obwoba okonyora ngo igweto obwoba gete wako bwata ngo chikugira nga tato okuli nandi tata erendete bya namanya nga nenche mchenkwe just even go wanchera nga no chokwe na gute ochaka gutwara obwoba ase nkoro yachaga ogwaka manya nga ntucho tukutwensi bikani imagine mama na aibole tuno mwana ngina mama na bwate ngina my great grandmother manya nga ntucho tuku can you imagine. Kero ucha ko imagine nga obugumo na obo ucha ko yaraigo nakieko gero konyora tokuchaga okole bintu gete tokomenye buna mahambite kayo insa chinde kwakanga ngucholi go kutoli go chagokwa so mambi ne karo batekero bwatege ntoke go chandete nabo kwenyora omenye tobuguma gete on the edge otenga ni nkora ni ntakora nabo ngo chagokwa kwanyora fear enkore go waka in fact kwamenye go nyora igento ikoro kwigesonga anxiety wa enkora ya chaka waka ncheregete before you know it kwanyora no magi ogokonyi no in the process your loss nabo kwenyora basoire into depression nabo kwenyora yani ole sad ayekende ke gokoretera nabo kwenyora wachakire kunywa amaru nabo kwenyora wachakire kuliegento maite sex addiction is a very bad thing sex maite mbiye koywa sex mbiye gocha bono konyora ogotenga tigangitege ntararuga iga yani bono kwabe addict okonya koligi sex yandozi ochikunyera mamu mino kule ai kwateba ngongo saba ochikunyera tatu mino ochikunyera tugwati meremo so ebinto nebinge tokora after twachire through loss koyigo buya bosa abandi ne sigara abandi ne nyasole abandi na marua abandi no nichitoro okonyora yanyoro sete na andi loss tokoteba tari death yoka loss ere ya kendi gyons konye obwate oholeti yani obwate tegento kengmineti asingencha sole alafu ulitukeli momanya koboka onyole nkeyo young people ni nungo kwana na ino you are people that I worry about eba konyeroka nga no bwate gento gekoro kunga mwanya kowe kesongo bakonyeroka PTSD stress gento gyakoberete wono kunye kuinyoranye nyene amakweli gosegento kia yani kunyora ibintu ibi kunye ko replay yo motuo kwarare trauma kwanyorete trauma elianya kukoboka mambiri yo koboko mayitekero kwabokire nabo wakire nyasambi ya mono gakina abokire wowe chikoboka iga kwinyora nka tato kuli wowe chikoboka iga kwinyora mama kuli kwamenye kuroro gwateba you know what siniko enemeremo wosini umwana osirete wosini emeremo kwabuturu yani wowe chikoboka ko iwinga nkore wo waka moisonde nabateyinga masakara ngo chiko nali koboka namanyanga obe nonde bad America timbwa ati masakara enkora yako ngaka ngaki wono ndabwa tungire ni ukanga kingo chakokora nabana bane trauma kwarare loss nchiroro na Facebook squeeze uchikoboko nyo kwanyora Facebook yako ulire page I told you nge page abahaka mbangibera bakanguri page for 3 months kera na realize tinge page yani iru na hackers my heart dropped enkole kanga hobe and you know page ya earn from the page nango kolere byasara byanenga kuminga gake yani bakangibera abandi bayino mwagulire cyombe cyeru bwa rubayini abandi mwagulire cyombe cyeru bwa 50 kwabeka bweli kogo chikoboka kwanyora ngombe teyo tata byarandangire tinga abo gete chingoko cyaya akanyora chingoko ikomichi cyete enyanga neragolirete mama byaranyagosira akanyora enyanga ecyete abo gete akanyora bibi bamwabusete ngamote bidadi umanyete bone igasinge ncho yobotaka ingi gose network yego nchandrege kerombo ate topic ere molero yo ingamote bingaki ebintu byenseye tigabona bayibire bayikire koyiba kora kitogole chingoko chinde inga accept bwango sana wono young people ntegerere wono ntetemba ya advice ngaki inkiorokole ekero kwanyorire loss inkiorokole anyine divorce anyine mirimo kwa buturu kero muntu nabwate loss onde tabase okongane ngere tabwate loss engere linge loss kwanyorire ngaki onyiwete and I want to get personal. In 2012 I lost my brother to alcohol. After a long time of alcohol, in fact, alcoholism is a disorder. After a long time, yani maruwa kairo mwano minto kindoche. I was here for 20, I think it's 20 years. Kerana achita America. He died 20 years later. I think, what is that? I came in 1993. My brother died in 2012. Sawe yinga kingonya kwa sabu nchiri kombere rais 2012 orusi 1993 yeah 19 years telibo it's 19 years okay. I watched my brother nko endororo. There's no one time na chitakorra my brother nkanyora tatindeti alcoholism abandi. In fact, gaki, don't be embarrassed. And my brother Mokaya is not going to feel so bad that I'm talking about this because I loved my brother. I used to go there at least once or twice a month. I loved my brother, but alcohol stole my brother. And I was hopeful for those 19 years that one day ngo chakoenda andi nyoro tigira maru. Before atara chagokwa, he got a stroke. So I was going to see him konyo tigira bona maru. He's trying to recover, but you know what? He was too weak. He was on a wheelchair. Let me tell you, my father died, but I didn't feel the pain when Mokaya died. I cried. Even now when I remember my brother, I cry. I was very close to my brother. So whatever situation you're in, for me, I used my brother. Whatever situation you're in, evaluate the situation you're in. Every Thanksgiving, I find myself crying. There is nobody who can understand how I feel. My brother Mokaya is no longer there. I used to look forward to Moi, Koruja City, every Thanksgiving, and he was always ready. He would call me. My sister, and I went there faithfully every year and brought him home for Thanksgiving. So a bowling situation, what a loss. That was a big loss for me. And I still can't believe that my brother died. I loved my brother so, so much. It was so painful. I had lost my father, but that pain was not the same. When I lost my brother. And that is the first time I really experienced deep pain. So, a key situation key loss kyobo deal nere at this time. Inki wa kolregoro ye loss wa accepted. Kwa manyirenga is part of life, people are going to die. Wa accepting abantu ngo butubale meremo. Wa accepting na umuntu nabago wotiga wa accepting ngo bosani ko erabole. Wa accepting na abana bawo na bago block. A situation no nyenje tinda accept biyabuya. Lakini na womanye tenga haki. I really miss my brother. Na ndabone gentekebe imorota sana. Why? Because yoko nyora molengeretinga haki. Yani my brother, I used to put my children in the car. Twagende just sitting na murusie asamenyete. Twagende duko golera abana bane bitamtam. Twamuira twagende park alija Lincoln Park. Twatarobera na abana nyakongambi. Na analete sana gosaba my brother boli mubwaye because ngoma tenga nyoma, he was not married. Na mute nyoma. Onye tori ko nyoma ingobole oboli mubwao. The last time that the day before my brother died, I went there. It was on Mother's Day of 2012. Nkamo nikachikomoranya gitari. Kera nachikomoranya gitari tutaragenda as usual. Na alikonye kumusaba oboli mubwaye nkamote yae. Nondi geta masakana ntigero oboli muboli atoto tiga yani andi twaseka. Akamenya kumbuli ngota getobe eseselia ya rocheli uga mache imebona noboli mubwana konya. You'll hear this story so many times because that's the story I used to connect with my brother because na alikonya kumubeteli ya nyome. You know lende ko nyando chibere nyoma Mokaya nyoma yani anteinga nyome nkinko abana. Imanya ko batei bono boli muboli obwatiski mo bonene nyando chibere ngayibogo chago chingo boli muboli Mokaya. Aki my brother agankani weekending aki on that Sunday tiga konya ko bamne seseli ngo bwato ko riri ugeri kwanyorire bokamba bwaterera bokamba tiga ko konya ko bwati boli mu bwane. Anyway tokakora tokaruo tokasabanere. The next day nkamurangeli in the morning tokakwana kwaragiri because he was not eating well agante ya tini bwati appetite tokakwana tokakora. At around 1 p.m. actually 1 p.m. akandangeli I like to joke. Ngamoboli aya. Wokwana kwana cheki no ndangeli ngoboli moboli rende donye kwagenda nyolenga nimbo. Yani nkomo joke nende. Agaseka gantenga ya na akolangeli by mistake. Manyanga kwa na my brother at that time tokakwana kamote it's good you are eating. I think I was planning kamotevi na bongo cha wakora Tuesday because wono nyagitali yale. Tokabutolesi. Do you know my brother died that same day at 9? You are the next of kin, your brother is gone. Okay, I've just given you my story. A story that hurt me so bad. Every time I think about it, my heart drops. I can't believe my brother is gone. Onye ko what a loss, whatever loss. Is it a loss that you want to address? Can you find somebody who can help you address the loss? Because if you don't, young people, especially those of you who are young, njabana na amenyere half of my life. In fact, obuguma bwane bono mbuli koenda up obuguma bwane boro on this side nche kero gwe ikire 40 obuguma bwo buliga konye enko nyagotira kero gwe ikire 40 bono obuguma bwane ngo tirimboka bole, meaning I'm likely to commit my brother in heaven. I'm not going to get younger. So if you're younger, if in your 20s, you're in your 30s, even below 40, and you have a loss, was a grief that you are holding on to, it's going to stop your progress. You will not get the best of your life. On you go dwell, alia second do you want to talk about it and see if there's a way you can let it go? Because if you don't let it go, it's going to hurt you so bad. You will not have a future. Na ando nyole umete kero wate pain turikunyara kuba productive. Let me tell you. Muna nche business owner, I cannot run a business kero nkunyura mukaya. In fact, na won korosa pinai karansa. When I remember my brother, I stop everything I'm doing. I don't grieve my father like that because tata konyomenyere a full life. I grieved Mokaya because he didn't have children. I felt so bad. I felt so bad that my brother's life was. I will stop everything I'm doing. I loved my brother. Decide mnangaki, are you getting something? Are you getting, what is this thing that do you plan to address it? Abantu bandi mwarule ga America, mwachire Kenya mwanyomira abakungu. Abandi mwachire Kenya mwanyomira abasacha, mwabaletire mpaka ama. Aya, mwabayirekere gento, mwabayire you are all. Keri, in fact abandi more abusive, abandi more abusive. Keri anyu musubati yoga abangete, anyu musacha yoga abangete, agotige ayetumanyiti. The day you kungo ya chitako tevi, we said the day you massage ya chitako teinga, I don't like you anymore. And koro yao must have dropped. Okuminga, you are giving your all. Almost what kwa nyome, to massage kwa nyome tene nkoro yao. Kaho kole miyake vire iga masakara ega kocha. Kwa manya kuiwe nkoro ge waka nga wow. Wono na maruo konyu. Wono ni abantu ko sonya korama. Wono na basigali ukurangiri. Enkoro ya waka. Ekara abantu bande baguchgo experience loss. Na kieko gara iga America ngote binda masasi na machuma. Amasasi na machuma ekero kwa nyori loss ye marriage. Kwa all the signs marriage is not working. Kwa all ringa muri kuigwana. Tiga kwa nye problem ebe nene. Mucha koleta abasigali ba America ngano ba ucha ko barusiriye nyuma aba usiko rukiyamo kama aba usiko ru nyamondo aba usiko ru nyando chibere yani oruas kwa rwete ogende process iri entambe yokolete kwa ewe visa o ewe process iri entambe ocho nyuma ogende process iri entambe kero mugo sinyana nyumba libo go accepting nyuma is not working umuntu buli ibintu byao osoke kuru nyumba gusumusa umusubati anganye mwamenya koleta abasigali nyumba abasongo. Imagine yokoleta abasongo mwao mwamenya kubekera bona abantu chi record lakini ngobwata amagoso mwensi mubwata amagoso ndite yotete kuimoka atebe ngigenteke kiaelire iko murindi nayo nandi gentu murindi nayo gekogera abantu abange bali in bad marriages iko mukaite ngonde tabatageti. Let me tell you lero maite na chaga timbege tino nyenka lipstick. Timbege tino nyen foundation. A point in the comic na you can be who you are one higa. Original natural. Abande muigetinga monde ta uchikungancha abande makeup mukubeka ba amasase rero bono mukale kubika ibyoge ebi muhabere mna kisanamu mukonya gotongi amaiso chiguru chiri chiba libya amaiso. Abande bayinu bono mukagetenga ekero mwatiga niruchinyomechi ngamoko nyorondi inche manyete ngamugakone binago dropiga tingo tonyanse ndara nyoro muntu nabongo nyoro mu Spanish nabongo nyoro mu Mexican nabongo nyoro mu Liberia inche bunando chenyero cheiga bunande organic engoko organic at 49 nande nkole nyangi endenene That is a mindset, in a mindset imbwate. Tindi kuchikunya gusika no musacha ngamenyete no musacha nyomba ngantuli gokwana ngamenyete no musacha nyomba ngatindi ko mwage ento tali ko ngage egent I have to eat. Injegento is very important because ngakingo batini keliegento. Bona tueta ndinga nyimo kenchi kobere rumu eriende. Inkingo menyere rumu eriende onyo tuasinya ndi no musacha kimbwate chibese cyane ngimbwate mirimo yane gese ngocha nte yumo gaka kitwasinya ndire tigangende nyole nonde onde otuguturu nere ambogolie nkole inyangi enene kabisa bono nchiko soka Liberia nchiko soka Sierra Leone inkigonya gosikira no monto nga oline to montegento for 6 months nga umole chirum chinde in the name of the children. You are the people who are causing stress because you're in denial nga you are going through a loss. Relationships end. In fact bono anda batewi gento kyogo kumi no nyini spouse yao sende tenda. I'm not okay with abantu basende chinda. I'm not. Tigango teinga abantu bande bakaitenga kusenda chinda is petty. Kusenda chinda is not petty because you have to make an effort to look sexy njeregete na liyo koreka na edible. Abantu bande moro mutari koreka na edible. You're not even making an effort gwesibi. You're not even making an effort orarenga nkyo koragera. Inchenindo chinga is very easy. Intigo monto igoro yenda. Yani yekinege nto bana abantu nyando chibere barigu bara kubisana lakini ngiye kogera because umusacho yobwatende nene no nyine gokorarira akorarire na borakwe okogona guka kogona na borabe torara yani umuntu ngo ikaro baso careless mpaka kwarira ngaki tiye nyome yebe wana bande mukaitenga cheating yoke kogera abantu ibintu mbiro umuntu agokora ora okomotiga pi especially enda inchoma I did not like sugar daddy and I'm being personal sugar daddy chinyinge litoko kine chisende tenda inkyo okorru monto sende tenda wono igona bokonye kunyuri mwaka ngende I'm not okay na bantu basende te chinda wone kera basacha bandi mo sende te chinda nabasubati bandi mo sende te chinda umuntu oba yani no umenyete egento ngiye kuimoka umenyete genteke kiasegisi wikachinave ending utyoke biya wikororeka nebiya yani bona nande attitude yao talinga oromo netoba netubuoka umaitekera abantu abange baraba netubago tyoka sana talinga oromo netuo obone tubuoka igore careless tokumetkende yons nande bona oromo netu nande ole very rude ngachige ntokera atenene asomonto ole careless nande ole rude you can't ngakyo we enjoy sexy umuntu gokorama ngakyo we enjoy sex umuntu tari gwesibi abantu yani basendete chinda iska ngasenge nje bako nyomete it's not okay. You have to take care of yourself. No mbabnandi iga natural ko organic ko nyando chibere ntabige tv eyelashes amasasi na inti ga wetonga tongi ibintu mono mo wetonga ngora bono mwamenye ko gosabantu especially onye kore singu tiga kuya kebintu ebinge nobody wants umuntu onge ne clown nkibona mo wecholera mono kowe ika room uko rusikerege gento yasunyugotenena abandi mo wetongongora mono amachuma gende eduka cyanga cyabasacha nchirogora cyanga kitoko koligere twakomerera amate bono inu motagetenga intu tolemereri ngawe katoli michitaya bono nto koligento bono yani abantu ko babalenchera gete ensensi to koligento taya chitongiri koikoli mitaya nandi no limichitaya nandi uikosie kama iso because bono monto galenchera gete ensensi hygiene amachuma muri konyora haircut amasasi ni chiwigi mu mamenyete chiwigi echichiko tyokero musacha nonyege ntonge kuimuka and then when you experience divorce okonyora loss umuntu menye kororo chakabono tatageti omotige wasenderenda tatageti omotige gare lazy tatageti omotige tari ku groom ngakyo komena umuntu abantu abayiroka muko nywa maruni chisigara ngakyo komena umuntu ogotyoka bunecho okay. So you have to be ready to experience loss ya divorce, loss ya relationship ko end. Abande more broke kerenza. Injebono tindo chinga chibesera chichigotene niegento for me. Nje tima itema sasa andi nkige ko batene niegento. For me kero musacho naga kolekte ebinte biye byalete chibese. Okay, bono amanyinga nega very healthy because you are regento to the table. Because you are no musacha na inchengire ebese eri areta ndosi ndagera byeyiga mbange nenyumba byeyiga Elinde bone kero twakolire nyumba yabere bye tumanye kuri egento turochi ndiyo linye ya kaka makeup gasini niga na nchembe ke chianga byeka okonyora bono musacha ali broke ngane gento agogusa ngoko omuntu oli broke na lazy egento you don't deserve it agendo bere onya korara nenda yawo sende birugo igoro kogo tugu don't make a big deal manyanga no kwereterera you have to be intentional mogo tu mwachaka koyugo bobe loss is very painful lakini wowo mokulu mogotigu wose egento gekobera omuntu because banta bange mbari careful. Think about in a situation you are in and what is loss bringing into your relationship. Never go fall out of love. Or go fall out of love because love is not a feeling. Love is an action word. Abantu bako normalize abuse. Ngora mu muntu binege saganeke. Ora mu musacho ngo muisyoyo. Ora mu muntu mutyo kyoroso. Omanye goteka gotenenie gento nga yugo kebeka. You are not putting kenda and onsi after kwara miro muntu. Umanye kurororo ogendere gutumye chinguru. Keli urangeli gwa basigali. Wonekera uchikwende chera. Mbrabona ngucyolo kwenda gusaba abasache egento because chera muri kubi ku mixed school. Wono mbuye kyubo kale chera. Ibo gakwali utugo muswati yonyo mu Spanish. Abaswati no baliga bale tayari kunyuma. Amasase aba Liberia n'aba Sierra Leone n'aba Cameroon no balega bakanyete babanyome bakorere chinyangi amangana yakiamo kamatiga amangana yokolinga mu gusiyo minto tige binte biti something of the past oroche ne manyete ngo munoyo mbwate gusitingo chiko tinkonyora mucho onye ngusi imagine nganchanga bono muka nyarebe ngumbwali angabono chikolera chibegete kina angabono nebi lakini ne manyete ngo munoyo ne gusito okoba bono mnango kwanike gusiga ebintu ngo kwana tata byara bono ngo ya taliko yugo anya tata byara no mugusiyanga yogete emanye nga yole kere losi yego chato basa kwenyora nga igo gotanga nga bano gwachaka kubolinga nga yibintu byasalekera emanya ibye komanyene bin charge tiako banyaba sigali bago decide nga you falling out of love no roaching inda yawo nene no nyego kolinwe gento no roaching ya bank account yawo gerete ire merondo onya account yawo kere merondo egento kerete account yawo gere byanda byoka ikonya korumulyoka lyoke account yawo gere erete lyoka bono kwabeire ekenera kwabeire ligecha yani ayebono utegetenga ngorageli guno muswati ayo utegetorageli guno musacha nanda masasa abandu baino ekero kwarwete sino gwachite kunyomo musacha inkyo musacha akonyomerete understand bino musacha akolemeremo ka abasacha sexy because ikina kigentekene nasibale nera lete echibese linde murageli ronyole chinguru kero kwanyolere chinguru linde muri sexy manyamuna inkikia ko ire to mucho yosogete to kwenda so umusacho okonyomire abandi murwerere chombe omanya ko muri no mutinyo muvuma no bona babuchaka ngo ngakyu umuntu agokobetereri omo egento numusacha roda muronge gabatete n'ibintu nebyaye tugumugakali ibintu byaye binatage na ino amasase manyanga inkikia go so etinyomo onye tutayite kuri egento karwe nyoma abantu bandi batayite kuri egento ekyubaye abaswati nabange baganyeta abasacha abamuchande teska na inu amachumba tika ko ba discourage guchaka kunywa maru egento na ande squeeze amachumba tigamba tebi abandu mayita bakungu baba chandire mpaka chi stress cyagalire ibintu byabunekire squeeze abantu bwata abasubati bara understanding bamayite mna bawo korona umusacu yobwate egento kebunegete to basa ko lose hope ngegento kyabona kyabunekire umenya kurororo bono cyake we cyayo cyake kunywa maru cyake no obuchingiriri nkuru bolega obonde kurwa matoga obuchingiriri omayete naboko okomenwa ebigoti ampako yugo buchingiriri obuchingiriri obonde mboli chimiyoro obuchingiriri taliga alyo kabole omuntu nabawo komene byara mpako yugo buchingiriri abantu make time mokole bikori muri yugo buchingiriri kubwa private buchingiriri tali private parts kabole abantu bakondangira abantu bakagete nga egento keliya kale ngo musachora mukungora aranse umusacho molina squeeze ko tali era small inwe onye gento kiabunekire inchu tokorigeria basubati mbaroro batagetobole mbago kunyomo ogocha straight kwa bateinga nchegento bumaene nabo mukungu oli nabanchande tegekabuneka bose nanyweta marua mange gekambunekera something tika lose hope ngasenge nchegento kiabuneka ngabono otete kunywa marua bona yugo otete kwengenta ngaibona no ebinto bibunegete ntomaite kitoko bikolera ayendangeli ngotebi nganima yitama sasa ogocha street kwa muteinga in fact egento kebunegete ngakitokora iro kabali mu bwato bolemo ndangeli abasubati mbaroro bamayete chi sex toy nandi mweche mwebundise muna mugutumye chi sex toy ngocha nyole boyfriend nyete ingoma nyete ninda understanding lakini mulimbo choyo nyobwateiga kero totagetegenteki inchengo menya naye kugichambwa tobolemo kugicha ngende muchiyo ntebi ngoyo mukanyarebe nandi kunsigete bi omayete nandi keregento kebunegete amasase ne inu mnyoma abantu babunegete binto omusacho okonyoma yento kebunegete is very nice because tali genta atagete gata ite companion amachuma itobona ago kunyomba yandi atabwa ati company ngasinge njo binto bibunegete amasase ikasi moko menya no musacho egento kebunegete nonye ne nyangi naboko mokolere nyangi enene kabisa egento kebunegete inkibona ogenda ali nabono ali bungwenyo nyomo mumuro bungwenyo yo mo bunegete oye gwobole mo kabisa igo endo beke kibando chiawo nabana bawo kole byasara byawo oli ndo mugako ina ndo musikebya tali rasi banga ibinto biri byeke gusingo muntu wikakoline no amangana ya segisi egento kwabororo abere something of the past amachuma lema nga squeeze chi stress inkubuna kire bintu egento kikiabunekire teo eyo koro ku loss tiko chaka kobaye kunya kobaye ndinayo ancherana nga cake yangire gotenena yenda seek help onye help teyo ligyo mosubati motebi ko straight now nonye kinde iga eke bago kebunege to bokombo ogo kebago nkeyo kabe straight forward tika kuchaka konywa marumo otinde terioka nande bono ucha kunya korwara ucha kunya kabere birogo igoro ngasinge nchege ntoge kobunekerete no squeeze into bwate chi solution nandas abantu bali muri Kenya mo basako tebionde tanda abatemunyerera onye mwanchiranira abantu babere nga enje nkonyoma natole lakini gento nkebunegete especially amachuma nino nkomonyerera mo tebionde ancherana nga teimokao come straight ngaki teatutumie chi sex toys tine chingia sana ngo achieve chire the same achievement ngora wana ekwabunekire wana yegasi yao uri chuma ndangeli nkoligerie gento kelindra binango gotomera mubasa gochaka goteba mubasa gochaka gotanga obuno bokresto ng'ebine bikoli peni nago tebya abantu no nandi undi tali guchugotangasira manganaye nandi boli inuba ali mora aba kristo no mututageti bintebi inubu keep your lanes lakini onye kobwate mokao otagete konyore ogasimu nandi kwabunekire inchuchu inbox tingo chikogotangasa ngoko igeli gento kia onkobekere sanduki bye ganto nimete byango we package geche ebiya sana in fact ngokora biremeremo utatiga bono wika mukwane nga nabo igente ke tokwenda inkibono ogutigera mukao oli baguchonya koligio abantu iska kerora atumie toy nanda baswat squeeze bare understanding nandi tali ras mangomo kebago kebo kwani binte kabe free loss tiako kutumia marua tiako tumia maliogo tiako tumia violence after kwa experience loss hangi abantu bine intuto bwata open mind omaite intuna abantu bali twa ibole tutokanyoro bora bono tata to eto busibole agatuteinga bono inwe ense guchubosio nyomoteka iyo mo chakoba igo oroche tata amanyite bono inde married by chance yenene sana nganimbo ato musacha lakini nabona alengereding ati nkonyora musacha na hande ndaba ngatimbu ati musacha lakini yetetoga simu inje tini mo Kristo tindi ko baranderi nga sabera ngatoto itoto sabere feeling egento nabo ko libino tagete anya sign understand tinga no wanji tukoli egento and that what makes me penina ko nyando chebire I'm telling you the truth for free na ndo ndeta yongo saba permission nimba tebinga this is the reality behind the scenes tigago tigo musacho because you bunekire tigago bera machuma ebye kanga because kwa bunekire loss onya bayibuli bawo bakule abantu bakule igwete pain seek help ndangili in fact nabongo kogambi ubu yatewete nimbwata machivu time to go in chinza cyane cyari kwigule na abaire advice rero yalenge yenge ntekenene sana ya loss nanda machuma kabe prepared ngento ngecheke buneke kwani nonye into china vaginal nerve ending sinko yarachire aboko bekwigento lakini toyigwetikende yonzi igonki kiaba nerve endings chama sasenko ko yarachire kwana igoro ya sexuality kwana igoro ya death kwana igoro ya loss grief. If you have to cry about it. Tiakoba stuck in the same place kwamenya ko umuntu bono guchugokorera chera esingencho you are not dealing with your loss. Young people ni nungo kwanira abandi squeeze ibintu bino bikale kubunekera 20s and 30s kwamenya ko so frustrated kwa umuntu mubi nyasawo yo tiangende break nale nkoba. Young people, I have a passion for you. Ni nkumereti sana. I want the best for you. If you want somebody to talk, nchuari inbox, go target a therapist, I'll give you a therapist and they'll walk you through. Some of you will not take a therapist and you can't afford. I can see how I can work something with a therapist. You need to talk to somebody who is not going to judge you.